Hare Krishna students. Today you are going to learn about adjectives. Adjectives call in Sanskrit Visheshan. What? Visheshan. So adjective means Visheshan. Now start. जो शब्द संज्ञा अथवा सर्वनाम की विशेषता बताता है वो विशेषण कहलाता है. You will think whichever thing we are telling by nicely, by descriptively, how we can say, maybe you are having one dress, okay, you can say that teacher, I buy a new dress. I said okay, good. Then I can ask you now which color it is, how it is looking, okay. So you have to say okay, this is teacher, this is pink color or red color. Okay, like this you have to explain. So how we can explain things nicely, or if we want to say something descriptively, okay, that time we have to use adjectives. Okay, which are that adjectives? Color, long or short, fat or thin, okay, sankhya means number. Like these things are called complexion. Complexion, body color same. Okay, so these things are called visheshan, that means adjectives. Okay, and adjective will be ekvachan, dvivachan or bahuvachan. It's depend on that particular things. If this particular thing is ekvachan, then that visheshan will be ekvachan. If that things will be things or any name, then if these things will be masculine gender, then your visheshan will be masculine gender. If that one neutral gender bahuvachan, then your visheshan also neutral gender bahuvachan. If your that thing feminine gender dvivachan, then your visheshan also feminine gender dvivachan. So it will carry same gender and same numbers. Okay, so you have to follow these things, that it will never change the gender or number, and it will follow that particular things. If that particular things which gender and which number, then this visheshan also same gender and same number. Okay, and see, एषः कपतः श्वेतः अस्ति. एषः कपतः श्वेतः अस्ति. That means this pigeon is white. That this pigeon is white. Okay. See, kapotah, that means masculine gender ekavachanam. So let's see, shvetah means white. This is the adjective, that means visheshan. I told na color is visheshan. So shvetah also visheshan, adjective. Now see, shvetah like kapotah. So this is also masculine gender ekavachanam, like kapotah. Okay. Now see, etat jalam ushnam asti. Okay. Jalam, neutral gender, because it's Malayalant. So napumsaklingam, napumsaklinga ekavachanam. That's why ushnam also napumsaklinga ekavachanam. Okay. Now see, sa kalika. Kalika means bird. Kalika aki matra. That means feminine gender ekavachanam. See, komola. So it is also feminine gender ekavachanam. So see one thing, that all are following the word, that word only, which word, which words visheshan it is. Okay. एषः कपतः श्वेतः अस्ति. This pigeon is white. एतत् जलम उष्णम् अस्ति. This is hot water. And सा कलिका कोमला अस्ति. That means Sam is that, you can say that bird is delicate. Komala means you can say delicate or tender. Okay. Now see, more examples are here. Okay. or what is the name? Aranyam. What? Aranyam. Aranyam means jungle. You can say the jungle. Bharate anekani visalani aranyani santi. Bharate means in India. Anekani visalani. Anekani means many. Aranyani means forest or jungle. Okay. Visalani means big. So Bharate anekani visalani aranyani santi. That means there are so many forests in the India. There are so many forests in the India. Okay. Next one. Tatra sthulaha krisaha cha vriksaha tishtanti. That means there are huge. Okay. There are huge and thin trees. Okay. The sthula means you can say fat also, but for tree we cannot say fat. It is not listening nice. That's why you can say huge. Okay. So there are huge and thin trees. Vriksaha means trees and tishtanti means staying. So we can say there are. Okay. Now next line. But before going to next line, I want to explain that same thing again. See, vriksaha. Vriksaha, masculine gender, bahuvachanam. Like balakaha, balako, balokaha. So like balokaha, vriksaha. So masculine gender, bahuvachanam. Now see, sthulaha also masculine gender, bahuvachanam. Krisaha also masculine gender, bahuvachanam. Am I right? Okay. Now go to next. Tiktani madhurani cha phalani phalanti. Okay. So tiktani means bitter. Tiktani means bitter. And madhurani means everyone know sweet. Phalani means fruit. So tiktani madhurani cha phalani phalanti. That means there are, you can say, they are producing, because the trees are producing. Now you can say they are producing bitter and sweet fruits. So the trees are producing bitter and sweet fruits. Okay. Now say next one. Surabhitani puspani cha vikasanti. That means sweet smelling flowers are blooming. So sweet smelling flowers are blooming there. Sweet smelling Surabhitani means sweet smelling. And you know flowers. Vikasanti means blooming. Vividhaha aranya jivaha aranye vasanti. Vividhaha. Vividha means various type. Aranya means jungle. Jivaha means animal. Aranye vasanti. Okay. So, you can say that various type of wild animal, because Banya Jivaha, Aranya Jivaha, that's why this is the wild animals. So, various type of wild animals live there. Why live there? Because Basanti, that's why live there. Okay. Now next one. Sabalaha Jivaha Durbalan Jivan Khadanti. Sabalaha Jivaha Durbalan Jivan Khadanti. That means the strong animals, those are the strong animals now. They are eating, those are the weaker one will be the food of them. So strong animals eat the weak animals as a fruit, as a food. Okay. So they are eating like that. You can say that tiger is eating to deers. Like this, he is Sabalaha and they are Durvalaha. That's why Sabalaha Jivaha Durvalan Jivan Khadanti. Okay. Now next. Kintu Bisalaha Gajaha Kamopi Jibang Na Khadati. Kintu Bisalaha Gajaha Kamopi Jibang Na Khadati. That means the big elephant. Visalaha means big. So the big elephant does not eat. What does not eat? Does not eat any animals. Okay, the big elephant does not eat any type of animals. Okay, khadati means elephant. Khadati means eating. And no khadati means does not eating. Now, saha trinang phalang cha khadati. Saha trinang phalang cha khadati. So, what if that gajaha, that means elephant, if elephant is not eating the other animals, so what he is eating? He is eating trinang phalang cha. Cha means and. Okay, so what is the meaning of trinang? Trinang means grass and phalang means definitely fruit, you know. So he eats grass and fruit. He eats? He eats grass and fruits. Okay. Banaraha opi pakwani phalani khadanti. So banaraha opi means also. Okay. Opi means also. So also monkeys ate. So monkeys ate what? Monkeys ate pakwani phalani. That means ripe fruit. Okay. That means paka phal. Okay, ripe fruits. Now say aranyat manusyaha uttamam kastham. From aranyat means from aranya. That means from the forest. Okay. Manusya means human being. Uttamam kastham. That means that good quality wood, you can say. Okay. Vividhani ausadhani, medicines cha prapnati. So aranyat manushya uttamam kastham vividhani ausadhani cha prapnati. That means that human collects the good quality wood from the forest and get various type of medicines. Various type of, many types of medicine we are getting now. So ataha aranyam ativa upakarakam asti. So forest is very much beneficial to us. Very much beneficial, na? So upakarakam means beneficial. So forest is very much beneficial to us. We are getting many things, na? That's why. Okay, so and you have to memorize this meaning also. All the meaning are very, very much important. You have to memorize. Okay. Here also see Sitalaha Pavanaha. Sitalaha, like masculine gender ekavatanam. Pavanaha also like this. So Sitalaha is the adjective here. Sitalam Pavanam. Where Pavanam? Mayhalant. Okay. Ditya Vibhakti. See. Automatically it is Ditya Vibhakti. Chayam Sitalam. Jalam neuter gender. Sitalam neuter gender. सब विशेषण के लिंग विभक्ति और वचन उसके विशेष्य के लिंग विभक्ति और वचन के अनुसार होते हैं। किसके अनुसार होते हैं? विशेष्य के लिंग विभक्ति और वचन के अनुसार। लेकिन कौन से विशेष्य और लिंग विभक्ति के अनुसार होंगे? कौन से विशेष्य? एक वाक्य में तो एक से ज़्यादा विशेष्य हो सकता है। सो कौन से विशेष्य के अनुसार होंगे ये सब? उसके विशेष्य के, उसके मतलब जिस चीज़ के बारे में या जिस विशेष्य के बारे में विशेषता से बताया गया है, जिस विशेष्य के बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा विशेषता से बताया गया है उस विशेष्य के अनुसार होगा. ओके, सो प्लीज़ रिमेंबर दिस थिंग्स. एंड संख्या ऑल्सो सी, संख्या बताने वाले शब्द संख्यावाचक विशेषण है. 1 से 4 तक के संख्या शब्दों के रूप विशेष्य के लिंग के अनुसार बदलते हैं. You know this before last year only you taught this. I taught you these things that 1 से 4 that means 1 to 4 there are few difference रूप are there. According to gender it is changing. Like 1 In masculine gender, ekah. In feminine gender, eka. In neutral gender, ekam. You know na? So like this it is changing. It is already written here. Ekah, eka, ekam. Dvau, dve, dve. For 3, trayah, tisrah, trini. For 4, chatvarah, chatasrah, chatvari. Chatvari neutral gender, okay? Up to 4 only it will change, but from 5 onward all are same. See, pancha, in feminine gender also pancha, and in neutral gender also pancha. Okay, so up to 4 only it will change. Please remember this. Okay.